those are all rational numbers. If I add two rational numbers together, do I get a rational number? Yes. Yes? No? Yes?
Yeah.
How many people say yes? Raise your hand. Yes. Good. How many, so what about if you multiply two rational numbers together? Do you always get a rational number? Do you always get a fraction?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, the real numbers. So now we're throwing in things like pi and e. If you look at the real numbers, add two real numbers, you get a real number. Multiply two real numbers, you get a real number. So that's another example of a ring. These are all examples of rings. Complex numbers. Multiply two together, you get a complex number. Add two complex numbers together, you get a complex number. So these are all just examples of rings that you're familiar with. Let me give you something that's a little bit different. So I'm going to take a particular complex number. I'm going to fix some positive integer p, and we're going to take e to the 2 pi I over p. So this is a number that has, so it's a complex number that has the property that if you multiply it by itself p times, in other words, you raise it to the power of p, you just get the number 1. So that number, that complex number I'm going to call z. So it's sitting, if you're looking in the complex plane, it's sitting on the unit circle. The ring that I'm going to use is, so it's a little bit maybe different from what you're used to. It's the set of all numbers of the form. So the ai's are all going to be integers. So a1 plus a2 times z plus a3 times z squared up to a sub p times z to the p minus 1. So all the coefficients are integers, and I'm taking all the powers of z until I get, z to the p is 1, so things are cycling around. I don't have to take any more than that. So we look at all the numbers of that form where a1 up through a sub p are integers. That's going to be the ring that we're interested in. So if I take two things of that form and add them together, I claim they get something of that form. This is closed under addition. Do you believe that? If you take two things,